Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing Bloodborne. Yeah, I'm playing awesome though. Oh, please go easy. I'm really bad. I'm playing on phone, so I'm quite good. And I'm on a note, of course. I'm really good on a note. If I had rolled a corner, so I would have just rolled it. Huh. I suddenly found the room of the corner. Phone is on 20% and it's so hot right now. Oh, you need to make your phone's better. I have literally the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's like... You need to make your phone better. You can get it. Oh, wait. Rest in peace. Oh god. I have something in my throat. No. Back. Triple threat. And then down the header. Threat. I can't. I can't even type. So guys, sorry that's not a half the reason for. Like after a couple of watches, I'm gonna end it. Come on, come on. I feel like balance. It's like it's so new. I love when the ball just comes here because there's nothing like there to do. If the ball comes to me when it's so far, so screen keeping. Please get the person. They're not telling us another stuff. You know how I just killed it. Okay, that was loud. Yeah. Bye guys, I can deal with my throat being hurting. Bye.